You're in the cockpit of an L-39C Albatross, a tandem two-seater jet aircraft. Look around. You're riding with the Baltic Bees, a stunt flying team. Stunts require precision at the controls to execute a series of mid-air maneuvers like loops and spins, and formations like the wedge and rocket. You're cleared for takeoff. The goal is to fly in perfect harmony alongside 5 other airplanes, all while going nearly 500 miles an hour. While flying, you need to balance the 4 major external forces of flight: thrust, lift, weight, and drag. Here comes the first loop. Flying like this is dangerous because at any moment, you could lose consciousness. Extreme G-forces are acting on your body, causing the blood to rush from your brain. So as a pilot, you not only have to tighten your thigh and stomach muscles, but you also have to wear a compression G-suit so you don't pass out. The planes are maneuvering so close that their wings almost appear to be touching. Spatial orientation like this is key for a good flight. You need to be aware of your position and velocity in 3-dimensional space. Check your altimeter. It's spinning wildly. The smoke you see is called a flare. It reveals the flight patterns from an aerobatic maneuver. Pilots certainly make it look easy, but this is a dangerous sport, and you need the right stuff to fly like this.